Your indoor plants looked healthy at first, but now they're yellowing, drooping, dropping leaves, or just refusing to grow. Before you blame the plant, the problem might actually be your care routine. The truth is, most indoor plants don't die from bad luck. They die from small, repeated mistakes that go unnoticed. In this video, you'll discover the 7 most common mistakes that are secretly killing your indoor plants, and how to fix them fast so your home turns green and alive again. Let's save your plants before it's too late. Number 1. Overwatering, killer. Most people think more water equals more love, but it's the fastest way to kill indoor plants. Overwatering suffocates the roots by cutting off oxygen, leading to root rot. Signs include yellow leaves, mushy stems, and a constant damp smell from the soil. Many plants actually prefer to dry out a bit between watering. Instead of sticking to a schedule, always check the soil first. Stick your finger 2 to 3 centimeters deep. If it's still moist, wait. Healthy roots need air as much as they need water. 2. Underwatering and neglect. On the other side, forgetting your plants is just as harmful. Underwatered plants become dry, crispy, and lifeless. Leaves curl, edges turn brown, and growth slows down dramatically. This often happens when people assume all plants need very little water. In reality, tropical indoor plants like peace lilies and calatheas need consistent moisture. The key is balance. Don't drown them, but don't ignore them either. A simple routine check every few days can prevent long-term damage. Number 3. Wrong lighting conditions. Light is food for plants. Without the right amount, they slowly starve. Too much direct sunlight can scorch leaves, while too little light makes plants weak, leggy, and pale. A snake plant can tolerate low light, but a fiddle-leaf fig will struggle. Many people place plants in corners for decoration, without realizing those spots may be too dark. Always match the plant to the light in your space. If natural light is limited, consider rotating plants or using grow lights. Number 4. Using the wrong pot or no drainage. A beautiful pot without drainage holes might look great, but it's dangerous for your plant. Without drainage, water builds up at the bottom, leading to root rot. Another mistake is using pots that are too large, which holds excess moisture for too long. Always choose a pot with proper drainage holes and a size just slightly bigger than the root ball. You can still use decorative pots. Just keep a plastic nursery pot inside them for safety. Number 5. Ignoring soil quality. Soil is more than dirt. It's your plant's entire foundation. Old, compacted, or poor quality soil blocks air and water flow. Over time, nutrients also get depleted, leaving plants weak and slow growing. Many indoor plants need a light, well-draining mix, not heavy garden soil. If your plant is struggling, refreshing the soil can often bring it back to life. Adding perlite, coco coir, or bark can dramatically improve drainage and root health. Number 6. No fertilizing or over-fertilizing. Plants need nutrients just like humans, but balance is everything. Not feeding your plants can lead to slow growth and pale leaves. On the other hand, too much fertilizer burns the roots and damages the plant. Many beginners think fertilizer is a more is better solution, but it's actually a controlled boost. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer once every 2 to 4 weeks during growing seasons, and reduce or stop in winter when growth slows. Number 7. Ignoring pests and early warning signs. Small pests like spider mites, aphids, and fungus gnats can destroy a plant quietly before you even notice. Signs include sticky leaves, tiny webs, holes, or sudden leaf drop. Many people ignore early symptoms until the plant is badly damaged. Regularly inspect leaves, especially the undersides. If you spot pests early, treat them with neem oil or mild soapy water. Early action can save your entire indoor garden. Essential indoor plant care tips for healthy, thriving plants. Taking care of indoor plants isn't difficult once you understand what they truly need. The secret is consistency rather than perfection. Instead of watering on a fixed schedule, observe your plants regularly. Check the soil moisture with your finger before watering, because every home has different temperature, humidity, and lighting conditions that affect how quickly soil dries out. Healthy indoor plants thrive when you keep their environment stable. Rotate your plants every 2 to 4 weeks so all sides receive even light and grow evenly. Wipe dust from the leaves regularly to improve photosynthesis and help the plant breathe. Maintain moderate humidity for tropical plants by using a pebble tray or humidifier. Prune dead or yellow leaves promptly, and always inspect your plants weekly for early signs of pests, diseases, or stress. Indoor plants don't just survive on water and light. They depend on your attention to detail. The good news is that once you fix these 7 common mistakes, most plants recover surprisingly fast and even grow stronger than before. Start small, observe your plants, and adjust your care routine. A healthier, greener home is just a few changes away.